Hey guys, Glenn here, back for another video. Today I'm talking more about trapping. In my last video I talked about snares and how they work and the components of a snare. Well, one of the components was a swivel. Well, I wanted to find a way to make the swivels myself because that's the one part I couldn't really find to buy. And I'd like to make my own snares. Well, I found online how to make a tool so that you can make your own swivels. So I've done that. I've made the tool. So I'm going to kind of show you the breakdown of my tool and how it works, and then I'll demonstrate making some swivels. Alright, here's the parts that I've made. I've taken a piece of just basic L channel and cut it. Then I got a tube, a piece of pipe, and I welded to it. Then I went out back in the shed and I found this is an old valve out of an engine. I took it, cut it off, cleaned the end up a little bit, and then I drilled a hole through here so this fits through it like that. Then I made this little tool. I took a piece of solid stock steel, I put it in my lathe and I machined it down to fit in a drill. Then I took this and I drilled a hole in the end to where this fits in there and it'll spin on there. Then I took my grinder and I ground this all out, and I'll show you how this all works. Most people will start and put this in first, and then they take their wire and you have to bend it around with one going over it and one going under it. But I like to bend my wire first. So there's my center point. I just put the wire right there and I bend it around it. Bend around, and then just take it into a nice bend, just like that. Get her nice and straight. Then you just take this, shove it in, come down, put one wire over it and one under it, just like that. Now you got that all in. So now I need to turn this way. So I need to, okay, so I've got the drill going that way. Then you just put your drill on there. You put the wires in the grooves like that, and then you just crank it. You see that? Makes a real nice swivel. Then all you do is just pull the pin back out, pull it off, and there's your swivel right there. Now I'll go back and take the grinder and cut the end off and make a nice flat cut on it. So I'll do that and I'll bring you back and show you, but that's it. That's all that's to it. And you can make your own swivels. Here's my tool that I made for making my swivels, and here's the end product. Here's a swivel made. I cut the end all off and cleaned it up real nice, and it turned out real nice. The bought one looks like that. And there's mine. Mine's round, but other than that, it's pretty much exactly the same. So they're cheap. I just gotta buy the wire and make them myself. Alright, I hope you liked the video. It was short, but to the point. And that's it for me. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.